Welcome! In this video, we'll learn how to save and share your documents using MassiveMark by BibCit. To begin, let's generate some sample content using ChatGPT. Once the content is ready, click the Copy button right below the response to copy your Markdown. Now we'll head over to the BibCit website and log in or sign up by entering your credentials. Once logged in, click on the MassiveMark tool from the homepage or top menu. Now click on the red MassiveMark icon to open the editor. Paste your copied content into the editor and click Insert. If needed, make edits in the preview. Then click Save for later and give a suitable name to keep this document safely in your account. To share your saved document, go back to the My dashboard. From MassiveMark document, click on drop-down and select Toggle Share Status. As soon as you click, a shareable link will appear just above the document title. You can now copy this link and share it anywhere, in emails, WhatsApp, or with students. Try MassiveMark today at BibCit for all your document saving and sharing needs.